Okay, let me check what my friends are up to. What? Error? Instagram login error. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. Is there an instant fix? Well, I'm making this video, so I guess there is. In this video, you will learn what you got yourself into when you received it and how to fix it. So make sure you stick until the end. Roll the intro. So you've got the famous or the infamous, I don't know, Instagram login error message. What does that mean? First, make sure you check if you got your password right. I know this may sound silly, I don't want to offend you, but this is an actual thing that can happen. Sometimes we think we know our password, but then we have all these passwords and we just forgot this one. Or we change our password, didn't save it to our keychain or an iPhone or the Google Chrome passwords, and we think there's something wrong when in fact the problem is in our brain. So just to make sure, if you forgot your password or if you don't remember your password, you can go ahead and go on Instagram from your phone or from a computer, go on the browser, type in instagram.com, click reset password and follow the instructions via email or phone. There's a whole article from Instagram about it, and there's troubleshooting errors. There's a lot more fixes, but we want to go over those because there are some things you should consider. So if you go ahead there and go to help.instagram.com, I can log in. I forgot my password. What can I do if I forgot my Instagram password? What can I do if I don't receive the password reset email to my Instagram account? I want to go over each of these because I know some of you guys and girls who have comments down below with issues like this, and I want to go over every possible situation. And if you still have an issue, comment down below, I'll help you out. If you're not receiving the password reset email, check the spam filter, reset your password through Facebook verification if you previously linked your Instagram and Facebook accounts. Get in touch with your email service provider to make sure you're able to get emails from Instagram.com domain. Yeah, maybe they're flagged as spam. So then we have, what can I do if my email address can't be found during a password reset for my Instagram account? On Android, get help signing in. On iPhone, forgot password, send login link. You get a link to your phone. If you previously linked your Instagram, yeah, so if you didn't do that yet, link your Instagram with your Facebook page, because this is one of the fixes. I'm receiving a password reset email for the wrong Instagram account. Maybe you have too many. What can I do if I receive a password reset email but I still can't log onto Instagram? Make sure you choose to reset your password via the email. And it says if you're trying to change your password because you think your Instagram has been hacked, there's another article. Email and username troubleshooting. I can't locate my account or don't know my username. You can just click forgot username. What can I do if I've lost access to the email or phone number? A lot of questions like this on my Instagram account compromised video. You can see it in the cards above. These are the fixes. Try to regain access to your email account. Obviously, you can send a reset request to your phone, one of the easiest fixes, or answer security questions. Change your Instagram account, email, or phone number. It says before you begin, make sure you can already access Instagram either with your email, phone number, or by logging in with Facebook. If you can access Instagram and reach your Instagram profile settings, you will be able to continue, right? Because you can do that. Another issue, I received an email that I create a new Instagram account, but I didn't sign up for a new account. Well, someone is just using your email. I think my Instagram account has been hacked, so good game. So these are the fixes that Instagram gives us. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's go ahead and check the real fixes, right? Shall we? One thing that helps with so many issues, if you don't see your followers following, cannot see your feed, many times you can just clear your cache if you're an Android user, or just uninstall Instagram, clear the cache obviously, start fresh and install it again. Another add-on that you can do to make sure you fix it is to actually log in when you uninstall Instagram. When you install it again, make sure you log in from a new account before you're logging into your old one, and maybe browse a little bit from it for a few hours and then go ahead and go back to your old account. That is a fix that worked for so many people when I said it in the comments. Another thing that can happen, and it's happened lately, is that Instagram can be down. How can you find out if Instagram is down or not? Well, there's a website, down.com. I think you remember it. It looks like this, and you can type in instagram.com and see if it's down. Right now it says Instagram is online, so if you have an issue, it's your fault. It's not theirs. Don't worry. Mark's innocent. log in with Facebook. Another idea. So when you go ahead and go on Instagram, you have a sign in with Facebook option. You already have that on multiple games, platforms, apps. You obviously have it on Instagram because Instagram's owned by Facebook for the last 5 years, I think, from 2015 or maybe earlier. You can log in from a computer but not from your phone. There's another fix that you can do for that. So as you can see here, you go on your browser, right, instagram.com, log in from a computer. You can test it right now if you haven't already, and you have a button edit profile. So you go ahead, click the edit profile, then on the left you have edit profile, change password, blah blah blah. Apps and websites, you can also deauthorize some authorized apps that you have that you don't deem trustworthy at the moment. Another option is that, but what we're gonna go ahead and do now is click edit profile, and there's an option temporarily disable my account. Go ahead, click that, and then reinstate it after a day or so, just to have it refresh. If all of that doesn't work, it's your phone that's at fault. You can try to access your Instagram account from another IP, so not from the same Wi-Fi. Go on a mobile network. If you can log in from there and from another phone, you should reset your phone. You know, obviously back it up, stuff like that, but reset your phone. There's no other fix. So yeah, if you have any other concerns, let me know in the comment section down below, because a video a day keeps the doctor away. See you in the next one, but by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out and give this video a like if you really want to help me out. Make sure you subscribe. See ya. Bye.